What up, drone freaks? Welcome back to Quad Vision. On the desk today we have something interesting. I just got it in the mail. For a while I've been wanting to make a really powerful beastie 3-inch quad. So I saw this X3 Eyas frame come across Banggood, but it was like sold out immediately. So I kept searching online. I bought this one from AliExpress, and it was about $2.50 more, but it was in stock. Interestingly enough, it came with 3-inch props, one set of 3-inch props. These are 30-45s, mega bullnose, probably not that great, but I was desperate for the frame and I didn't want to wait. So here's the unboxing. It arrived from AliExpress in one of those nondescript plastic padded bags. The base plate is 3mm. You can get it in 4mm. It's a True X. It's 112mm motor to motor. Bottom plate is, I wanted the 3mm model. The top plate comes 1.5mm apparently. Look at this thing. If you put 3-inch props on here, it's basically going to be a flying motor and prop, machine. I mean, I don't know. We'll see what it looks like. Hopefully, it's going to work out. I have no idea. I really wanted to put some oversized motors on this, so I bought these 1407 RCX motors. They're like considered by many super high-end for the money. They're pretty inexpensive. These motors cost me $10 or $11 each. These are the 1407 4100 kV motors. It's got arc magnets. It's got Japanese bearings. It feels super coggy. Look at the wires on this thing. I don't know what that is. That could be that's probably 200mm of wire. That's awesome. I mean, I'm not even going to need it because I put it on this frame. I'm only going to need, 25% of that wire. But this is the way motors should come, right? They should come with nice long leads so that you can hook it up any way you like to the all-in-one. So Engineer X did a static thrust test on these motors, and it looked like they were outperforming the Brother Hobby T1s in some respects. That being said, I wanted to give him a shot. Engineer X seems to have a good following and putting out a lot of good information out there. Let's see what else. So the frame is feeling pretty stiff. It's only a 3-inch quad, so I mean, a 3mm base plate should be sufficient. 4mm seems a little overkill. I mean, that's what 4mm is like what I like to put on my 5-inch quads. I don't know. Let's see what else we got here. Very simple and hopefully light frame. I'm gonna put it together and weigh it, but this is the unboxing. So it's got a top plate. Very minimalistic, this whole frame. It's got 3 knurled posts, aluminum posts. It's got these are the side plates to the camera mount. What else we got here? So you've got some plastic standoffs for the camera mount, the screws for the the aluminum posts. Very minimalistic, very simple frame. This is basically going to be a flying motor and prop. I mean, the frame is so simple, and hopefully I'm not like overdoing it with these motors. Let me know what you think. I mean, if I'm totally mispairing this setup and it's a mistake, tell me what you think. I have the HGLRC XJB 20x20 all-in-one board in the mail coming. It's got 20 5 amps supposedly. OSD in there. That's an F4 board. I try to avoid the F4 board because I hear it's incredibly sensitive and it's prone or the gyroscope or accelerometer is prone to offsetting or reacting to too much vibration. So people have suggested that you have to really soft mount like everything. I don't know. I'm sure that can be tuned out to a certain extent. But the particular board I got was an F4 because it was the only all-in-one board that I could find with an OSD, and I want to have those options in there. All right. So let me put this together, and we'll come right back and weigh it and see what it looks like. And of course, after I build it, I will make a video and show the maiden or show some flight footage. Cool. Peace. All right. So here's the mock-up of the X3 Eyas 112 millimeter 3-inch frame. It's got 1, 2, 3 aluminum posts, 1.5 millimeter, 3 millimeter bottom plate, 1.5 millimeter top plate, and it's got two what looks like 1.5 millimeter side plates for the camera mount. The camera mount supports or standoffs here are all plastic along with the screws. It's designed for an all-in-one micro camera. I ordered an all-in-one micro camera with a whip antenna because a cloverleaf antenna on top here would be fully exposed and would get splattered. Although I'd like to try and see if I can fit like one of those new Runcam Micro Swifts. The length between these two mount side plates is about 19 millimeters, so that's the width of the Runcam Micro Swift. So potentially I could fit one of those in here. I'd probably maybe have to drum out a little bit of the carbon on the inside. I'm not sure, but I might give that a try if I don't like the all-in-ones I got for this quad. The all-in-one cameras have like tremendous field of view with too much fisheye, and it feels a little awkward flying around. I got the Yixing Lizard, and it's a great little 2-inch quad, super fast, super peppy. I'm really happy with it. I've only flown it like 8 times. Haven't broken it yet. Keep your fingers crossed. But I want something with larger props that has greater feel and comparable performance to a real 5-inch quad, and that's why I'm building this 3-inch with 1407 4100 kV motors. Tell me what you think. Do you think this is overkill? Do you think it's going to be a super beast? I'm gonna use 3 and 4S XT60 connector batteries. I've already ordered them and they're on the way. I'm trying to make something super powerful, super small, and with really impressive specs that has the feel and the real maneuverability and power of a 5-inch, but in a very compact size. Maybe I can get away with flying it in my backyard without pissing off my neighbors. We'll see. In any case, here's the mock-up. The rear, I guess, is a little exposed, but when you fly backwards and hit things, I guess it's a risk on tumbles or crashes potentially. I guess it's you fit a 20 by 20 all-in-one board here. Some of it's going to be a little bit sticking out, but I'm not too worried about that. Let's weigh this sucker and see if it's accurate with the description online. All right, we've got 0 grams teared out here. On the scale, it's coming in at 21 grams. 21 grams is what it's described as. 21, 22 grams. Should be pretty light, should be pretty good. I'm pretty psyched. The parts will be coming in the next week or two, and I will put it together, do a little video, and get some flight footage on this little beast. Little monster. We'll see what it does. All right, give me some comments and tell me what you think about micro quads, 3-inch quads, and the potential pairing of the 1407 motors with such a small little frame. I mean, this frame is a true X. It's very, very small. When I put the motors on here and the props, it's basically going to be just motors and props. I mean, the frame is like very compact. Should be interesting. We'll see if it works. I hope it works. I'm pretty psyched. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Peace out.